Someone asked me what I do with the microwaves these days, so I'll show you exactly. I use these two tools. This one just in case, maybe not. Okay, step one, transformer, or sometimes it's an inverter. I take that out. Boom. Voila. And this transformer here is a big one. If it's smaller, I'll leave it alone, but since it's this big, let's go. Just hack at it. Thank you. Him. And lastly, that's it. Those three. Sometimes this one I don't take because it's too small, but generally it's that, and the rest I leave for my mate. So he's got the turntable motor, magnetron, it's a little motor here, or transformer, cords, and whatever else he takes. All the cords, like I said, circuit boards. I don't know if he takes anything off the circuit boards. Pretty much that's it. I keep that. He takes this.